Y'all the ginger.
Y'all the ginger.
And welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. We are going to be installing this baby right here, y'all. I cannot tell you how long I've been wanting to be a ginger. I've been wanting to be a ginger for a little minute now, okay? I've been over here, if you want to make a ginger, they need coconut. Like, I've been wanting to be a ginger. I am a ginger in my heart of hearts. And I just was so excited. I've been waiting. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. You've been playing. You've been ducking and dodging me. Let's not even waste no more time. Let's just get right into this. Alright guys, so this wig is from Afsister wigs and is 12 inches. It's 150% density, 13x6 frontal, and is clearly ginger. It did come colored like this and I paid $117 for it. The shipping was super quick. I ordered it, I think, on like a Friday and I got it that next Tuesday, so it's really quick. For the actual install, I only use Got2b spray and gel. Lately, I haven't been using Bold Hold just because I haven't been keeping my wigs on that long, especially now that I'm getting hair sent to me. Yes, y'all, I'm getting hair sent to me. Kudos to me. But yeah, I've been getting hair sent to me, so I've just been switching my hair up pretty much as humanly possible. Now, Afsister Wig did not send me this hair, but guys, this has to be one of my favorite wig companies. Like, I've gotten so many wigs from them, like bought from them, and I love all of them, literally. And just speaking this into existence for myself, but I would love to be a brand ambassador for them one day. So go ahead, run this video up so they, you know, put me on board. I did end up washing it before installing, and when I was washing it, no dye really came out, surprisingly, but when I wet it for the end of the video and switched to my white jumpsuit, I did notice that the color did run. I immediately put my jumpsuit to soak and it did come out, thankfully, or me and Afsister would have had to have a talk. I feel like I am getting so much better at my installs, y'all, but that could just be me. What do you guys think? I also never do installs with makeup on, so this was a bit of a challenge, but at the same time, it's making me become a little more versatile when it comes to my installs. So, you know, now I don't have to look like a monster every time that I want to do an install for you guys. Now, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this install. I don't really have much to say about it, but let me know if you want me to try any other colors or if you have anything specific that you would like to see. Ronald McDonald ginger versus, you know, scissor ginger. I'm not 100% in love with it just because I don't know why, but this lace is just not taking my powder. Like, it's not taking my powder and it's not picking up the bald cap on the bottom. So like, I can see the grids. Like, there are some wigs where like you can tell like there's a cap under it, but it looks smooth and whatnot. This doesn't even look like I did a ball clap. I should have just did it regular, willy-nilly. first of all, it's this look back for me. I didn't think this was gonna look, I mean, I knew I was gonna be good as a ginger. I knew I was gonna look good as a ginger because I just knew in my heart of hearts that I was gonna look good as a ginger. But to actually see it in action, woo, child. I'm really starting to love color on me, guys, and this color in particular I think would look so good on my natural hair, but I know the maintenance would be crazy, so I'll just stick to the wig. As far as the wig goes, I have a love-hate relationship with the density. I mentioned before it is 150% density, but usually with shorter hair the density isn't really an issue for me, but for this one it kind of was, and I didn't realize it until I actually started styling my hair, you know, trying to do half up, half down, having it, you know, to the side. It just noticed how thin the hair actually was. Blow dried it to see if it'd get any bigger, and it really didn't. I don't think this hair is thick enough to even try to get bigger, but I think what I'm gonna try to do is just do like a messy-ish bun. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Of course, make sure you comment your thoughts down below. Thumbs this video up if you want to see more, and share this with your peeps, your homies, your family, anybody that you can share it with. Go ahead and do that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.